This Thomas train should not be here, because what happened next was a disaster.
But something didn't feel right. The sky changed too fast.
No warning, no way out. And that's where we found it, after years, completely forgotten.
Rain came down like a wall, no turning back.
On the other side, the dam couldn't hold anymore.
And in seconds, everything changed. The Thomas train was trapped.
No matter how bad it looked, we knew it could live again.
Deep inside this flooded dam, we found the destroyed Thomas train.
This tunnel barely held up, and the Thomas train is trapped inside.
Calling in a tunnel machine? Ooh, this job needs serious power.
Opening up the tunnel step by step.
We need a plan to pull the Thomas train out safely. Every connection has to hold.
Time to secure the lift points. Finally, it's out of the tunnel.
Clearing the loose damage.
Get it on the truck! Transport is ready.
Whatever it takes to move the Thomas train.
Next stop, the workshop.
This is where we rebuild the Thomas train.
Careful placement.
Damage is extensive.
Take it apart.
Lifting it out.
Start
slowly.
with a deep clean.
Break down all that grime.
Years of buildup coming off. Now we can see the real damage. Secure it for transport. Removing what can't be saved. Rebuilding the structure. Strong again. This corrosion runs deep.
Smoothing everything out.
Stripping the rust off the Thomas train, layer by layer.
Everything ready for rebuild.
Straightening the frame. A solid foundation again.
Back on its wheels. The clip marks a major milestone as the train regains its mobility. Secure it properly.
Fitting new panels.
Clean wiring setup. Installing a new heart. Rebuilding the shell.
Refining the finish.
Smooth base layer. Color comes back. Seal the finish. Layer by layer.
Let it cure properly.
Locking in the paint. Bring out the shine. Keep it spotless.
Every detail matters here.
That shine is unreal. That finish is clean. Final touch.
Perfect fit.
Interior starts fresh. Comfort restored.
Everything fits tight.
Locked in place.
Keep it running clean. Clean and refined. Nothing left behind.
Signature piece.
Final detailing starts now.
Now we bring the identity back to the Thomas train.
Let's bring it to life.
Smooth rotation. The clip confirms successful wheel installation.
Fresh from the inside.
Solid from the ground up.
Every detail restored.
Stronger than before. A second life begins.
Every inch rebuilt.
Almost there.